Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. When it comes to egg curries, I've made several varieties and several recipes, and I'll give you a couple of links in the description. You can check them out. Adding to that huge list of recipes is another wonderful recipe. We're going to make Hyderabad style Egg Malai Curry. This is a very tasty dish, and it's a perfect dish for any rotis or chapatis. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the egg malai curry, I'm going to make the masala paste. To the mixer jar, add 2 large onions chopped, 6 green chillies chopped, a large piece of ginger chopped, a few cloves of garlic chopped, a bowl of coriander leaves, and a bowl of mint leaves. Close the jar and grind it to a nice fine paste. There is no water required to grind the paste. Wow, we've got a lovely green and nice spicy masala paste here. Remove from the jar and keep it aside. The masala paste for the curry is done. Next, I'm going to boil a few eggs. I'm just boiling about 8 eggs. Add just a teaspoon of salt while boiling the eggs. Boil the eggs for about 20 minutes, turn off the stove. Remove the shell from the eggs and keep them aside. Next, heat a nice wide pan or a kadai. Add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add a few whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. Next, add a teaspoon of Shahi Jeera. Now add the ground masala paste and mix it all in. So we're going to cook the masala paste. Close the pan and cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes of cooking the masala paste, you can actually see how the color has changed. It's become a little more darker. Now I'm going to add all the spice powders, starting with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Now mix everything nicely. After 5 minutes, add about 100 ml of fresh curd. Make sure you whisk it nicely before you add it. After adding the whisked curd, mix it all in nicely. Cook for about 5 minutes till the oil separates. Now pour about 1 cup of water. Mix it along with the masala. Close the pan and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, you can see the oil separating nicely. I'm adding about a teaspoon of sugar to balance the flavors. It's entirely optional. The masala is coming together so beautifully. The aroma is amazing. So now I'm just going to make a couple of cuts or slits onto the boiled eggs. Now gently drop the boiled eggs into the masala. Gently toss the boiled eggs into the masala. Make sure it's all coated nicely with it. Now I'm going to garnish it with a nice handful of chopped coriander leaves. This is going to add a nice flavor to the curry. Now close the pan and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the final touch is to add the cream. I'm adding about 1/4 cup of fresh cream. Mix it all in along with the masala. Our incredibly delicious Hyderabadi Egg Malai Curry is ready to be served. You can serve it with roti, naan, or some nice pulao or jeera rice by the side.
Eggs are a great source of protein, and this is a nice way to enjoy the boiled eggs. Here is this incredibly rich and delicious Hyderabadi Egg Malai Curry, which is a must try.
So you can see how delicious this egg malai curry is. This is perfect for roti, chapatis, or even for jeera rice or any sort of nice mild pulavs. So do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.